found some guys here and they're showing us around.
Yeah.
Look. Yes.
Yeah. The newest Instagram spot.
Oh, what a view! Many people here live like this. It's incredibly dark. Incredibly dark. I think the key word here is creativity. Look at this group of kids following Marissa, the candy lady. We were just walking by. We had no idea we were gonna stop here. Welcome to Fez, the heart of the Kingdom of Morocco.
Usually when people come to Fez, they spend a lot of time in the Medina. There are hundreds and hundreds of shops selling virtually everything. Clothes, rugs, furniture, metalwork, spices. You can buy almost anything in the thousands of interconnecting streets here in the Medina.
We were not planning on filming yesterday. However, we unexpectedly had a very unique interaction. It started as a simple conversation on the street with two guys, and it turned into a much deeper and eye-opening experience.
So we ultimately decided we had to start filming because we were witnessing something really special. These locals invited us into their homes and into their life. They said it was okay if we showed it to everyone on video. Here it is.
I don't know what's going on. We're walking around town. We just ended up in a neighborhood that it's not very touristy. We found some guys here, which, by the way, let's ask what their names are. شنو اسمك؟
Karim.
Karim و Abdul Rahman. Musharfin. So these lovely guys were just hanging out here, and as it is the case very often in Fez, in Morocco in general, they stopped us walking around because this is not a touristy area. And so they said, where are you guys going? We ended up having a conversation. They're showing us around. It's really lovely what's going on here, and we'll show you why. شكرا ما كاينش هاد في اوروبا.
Speaking شوية Arab هو يجاوبك.
Okay.
بينك وبينه.
Okay. We'll speak different languages. We'll try.
هذا فور ليس في اوروبا.
Had for yeah.
كان في ايطاليا بيتزا، استعملها بيتزا.
Voilà.
ولكن ليس كما هذا قديم.
قديم.
1200 عام.
Okay. 200 years.
200 years.
Okay. Very old oven. 200 years old.
Very old.
قديم جدا. Very old. And he's saying that this oven only exists here. In Italy we have only a pizza oven. Here they have the bread oven. Look at that.
استعمل خشب.
Okay. خشب.
ليس الغاز او كربون او
ما كاينش كربون.
خشب.
بطاطا. Also has a sweet potato.
Potatoes.
It's funny how he was comparing Italian ovens, only good for pizza, he said, and then Moroccan ovens that actually are perfect for this kind of bread.
This before you living in the mountain.
Him.
The mountain I have in Fagan not like this.
Okay.
Not like this.
Okay. Small.
Small boy work in this place after becoming your family for you living in Fez. Be like this work. In this area is good. People be like people. Be
Yeah, it's very big this area.
For buy one, half dirham.
Donc les gens ici vous ramènent le pain et lui il le met dans le four.
It's basically that if you bring your own dough,
Yes.
it's a half dirham.
Yes.
If you want to buy the whole bread, it's 1 dirham.
Yes.
So it's kind of like a community of it.
Lovely.
La famille.
These trays that we see here, some of them belong to certain families. Some others are his, but he says that what he does, he bakes bread. Whether it's bread brought by families or bread that he has to make and sell for slightly more. شكرا بزاف. As of right now, we are just seeing what life is like in a random neighborhood of Fez. We're not in the main part of the Medina. Tourists come here, they walk here, but nobody stops here. Even we were not gonna stop here. Look at where we are. Let's stop for a moment. Look at what's going on.
A little narrow.
People for buy something from your home.
They have to.
Not say go easy.
Yeah, not easy.
For you, only for your up. This of the terrace. Terrace.
But you don't have the terrace.
I have terrace.
Ah, you have a terrace.
Say hi. Say hi. Hi.
We're going this way, Marissa.
Oh,
Huya dialect. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this swing.
For the small boy. try. Try, my friend.
I'm afraid this is gonna break.
let's see. Let's see. All right. Ah, it's pretty comfortable. Nice. Very nice.
It's a new tourist attraction in town.
The newest Instagram spot.
I know.
Thank you.
Where are we
I
going?
think this is someone's house.
Yeah, it's
This is small.
Alright, let me. I guess yeah, we're going inside.
Family down.
This is your family's house. This family lives here. And here's the cover to cover, probably from the rain, I would imagine. Because it's open up there, and as much as they can cover the roof, the rain can fall in, so they put this plastic cover. So in this very small building, there we have already seen one family, the lower floor, another family here. It's incredibly dark, incredibly dark. Dark and tight.
He said it's dangerous for people. Maybe because you can hit your head.
Nothing, the door off.
And we're almost up on the
This year?
terrace. Yeah.
Okay.
Go all the like this.
Gotta crouch.
Up on the terrace, and if you're lucky enough, you have a terrace. Some people's
Careful, they're a little wet.
clothes. Wow, what a view!
Is there a puppy?
There's a puppy. How can there not be a puppy when Marissa is around?
My God. Oh my God, his name is Pablo.
We like Pablo Escobar.
Pablo Escobar. No. Ciao. Yeah. I mean, this is the way some people live. This is, very, very old, poor. Karim was saying that many people here live like this. It's
Many
difficult.
people.
It's difficult, but that's how it is. Let's try to go through the clothes. So this place here is tourists.
Yes.
This one here is Moroccans. The difference.
Yeah.
One balcony, and that's the major difference. One investment. They say like people from Europe come and buy a house, redo it, and then they cater to tourists, and then boom, here's the neighbors. All right, let's keep going. Very tight. And here's a bedroom. One bed. Maybe this is a bed. This is the closet. Very well organized, I have to say. How many people live here? How many people?
Family.
A family?
One family.
The mother.
Mother and all the
Dad.
People,
siblings.
small boy. Just
Many siblings here. Salam alaikum. Mumkin? Ah, shukran. And this is the living room, I would imagine.
drink the tea.
Okay, we all drink tea right now. Wow, and by the way, there is another living room over here. Very dark, unfortunately, but this is where people gather. Brothers and sisters and everyone. All the family, big family.
What's up? Robini Mred, Malad.
No, Mred.
Mred.
So it's sick. The sink is sick. Where is the... It works?
No water.
No water?
No water.
Wait.
Water only for this.
Then
He wants
my
to-
question is, how do you pee?
After this one, finish
You finish,
water, barber water. Good?
and then you put the water. Let's say it's very, very creative way. And here's a Moroccan kitchen. What is going on here? She's washing some clothes,
Yeah, she's washing for.
but she doesn't close.
No clothes.
Open. We can all see. Okay.
Problem for
No, don't close. Don't. I think the key word here is creativity. Very, very creative. And obviously, if you don't have a lot of space to hang your clothes, you gotta use the kitchen. There's literally kids everywhere. Wow. Marissa. You gotta see this kitchen. Oh, they're always preparing some food.
Some rice, maybe?
Because with all these kids, you always need food to be cooking.
C'est ça de thé.
Ah, okay.
C'est original. Soup. بتلعب صعب السنيدة. No.
No. Not too much.
Safi.
Oh. He's learning the iPhone.
Oh.
Just the camera. Look. Me? You.
What a scene.
You.
All fascinated by the tea master here, or the Thai master, we should say. This was a nice tea break, a pause, and we got to see a typical house, a typical Moroccan house in a Medina.
Let's go down here.
Look at our friend, and let me turn around. Wow.
This street in the small
cities.
people not go easy for this street. This street is old looking, my friend.
Very old.
It's
No name, just
I have a
Qadim.
name.
What is
This
it?
street درب المقوس.
That's the
That's
name of
the
the
name.
street.
درب المقوس.
This is how narrow.
Look. This look.
Like how the rock is kind of like uneven on an angle.
Look.
Yes.
Yeah, I
Look.
guess.
It's very old.
Very old. I mean, that's how the Medina is in general.
For the
All
old.
buildings put together.
It's even like crumbling.
Yeah.
Like this.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh, yeah.
And usually, yeah, this is how the Medinas are. And what happens, people just put a patch. They fix temporarily what they can fix because there's really no money to do otherwise, to do a major restoration of the entire building. So they can just, what they can do is just fix one piece at a time, put these pieces of wood to hold the structure together. Assalamu alaikum. Look at these.
This is the name of the street.
Darb al-Maqwas. And there is also the name in Amazigh.
Berber language.
Yes. What is this?
A Berber garden.
Oh, a Berber garden. That's awesome.
People buy cigarette.
Oh, they buy cigarettes.
Cigarette.
The tobacco shop.
Be nice this place.
And there's also a rooster in charge of the garden.
Couple.
Actually, yeah, there's more. There's many chickens around here. This is a hangout spot.
Ah.
So what do people do here? You just sit down, relax, maybe have a mirinda tropical with your friends.
This is very show.
Uh-huh.
When it comes to stay is cold.
It's
Yeah, it's very fresh around here. And you got a view of the garden.
Yes, garden.
Okay.
But do you guys know what this is and what is it?
This is in the home. Home before people you live in here in problem.
Oh, they fell.
People used to live here before a major earthquake
Sometimes
that
people be
happened
like in
in
garden.
Morocco. So Marissa had this idea. She wants to kind of like pay back to the kids that spend so much time with her. So Marissa, what are you gonna do?
We're gonna try and buy them candy in the most organized way possible.
It's very difficult.
It's very difficult.
Let's try.
Because there's kids coming from, I didn't even see them before.
Okay.
Like this.
I'm really curious to see how this is gonna go. The kids are there. They're waiting. Here,
Scared.
here's the bag. Let's see what's gonna happen now.
All right.
Look at this group of kids following Marissa, the candy lady. We're gonna be here forever, one at a time. But she wants to be fair. She wants to give one at a time to each person.
Did you get one? Yeah, you got one. And
New kid. Kids from all over the neighborhood are coming.
okay, let's start the circle
Gotta start
again.
over, Marissa. Wow. This kid hasn't had a single one, my friend here. Come on, my friend. Marissa, this kid has to have two. This kid. They're all going, Madam, Madam.
This is getting crazy. Okay. Here?
It's not easy. It's not easy.
Nice to meet you.
Lisa, we're officially leaving this area. We were just walking by. We had no idea we were gonna stop here.
Yep.
Let's leave for now. Let's give a gift to these two guys because they were so nice to
Yeah.
us. They literally showed us where they live and everything.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Shukran.
Together, together. 1, 2, 3.